Hello, I will show you the improvement that I made in my in the controller of the Caboo Mantis. So first to take out the controller, so you have to there is a force screw under the deck that you have to take out, which fix the controller. So you take out all the connector in there. And after when you take out the electrical box, so there is two screws that you in here, which links the dissipator of the electronic board here, and after you can take out the card, the electronic card. So the improvement that I made in the controller, so I put a varnish, electrical varnish, in the both side of the card. To protect the card from the humidity, and as well because the card is near of the structure of the box. If the card moving, we can fear that there is a short circuit between the card and the controller. Voilà. So so you see, this is the original heater of the card. So as you can see, the hole pass through the heater, and so there is two consequences. So for the transistor in the middle here, the area of contact, the surface of contact is reduced around the surface of this hole. So if you compare the surface reduced because of this hole to the total surface of contact, so we can think that there is an impact of the heater transmission between the component and the dissipator. So to improve, I make another heater. And in this one, the hole is not pass through the heater. So this heater is thicker. It's 5 mm thick, whereas this one is only 4 mm. And so when you do that, in fact, there is this connector here who touch the box. So you have to reduce a little this connector here, and of course this part as well. You just take out 1 mm from the connector. It's easy. And as well, so this is the original insulator, which is between the transistor and the heater. So as you can see, there is mark because of the screw in the insulator, and so we can fear that there is short circuit as well because the insulator is damaged here. Voilà, but with this solution to make a hole which not pass through the heater, it's solve the trouble. And as well, I replace this insulator with classical mica insulator. So I don't find exactly the good size. So I cut with I take bigger one and I cut with scissors. It's easy to do. So after, when you want to assemble the controller, so of course you have to put. So yes, when you put this heater, you have to put thermal grease between the transistor insulator and between the heater. You have to put thermal grease here as well, and thermal grease between the box of the controller and the electrical scooter, the main body of the electrical scooter. In my case, when the original the original configuration is there is a thermal glue, I think, but there is a thick layer. It's very thick and only in that area, so in a small area. So the thermal conductivity between the electrical box and the main body of the electrical scooter is not good. And as well, there is only a free screw in the electrical scooter. So as well, the electrical box is not well mounted in the main body, so the thermal conductivity should be not good at the beginning.